Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. No tricks, just the official 7-day trial directly from Adobe. Start by clicking the link in the video description. That'll take you straight to Adobe's official After Effects free trial page. Once there, you can start a 7-day trial that gives you full access to all of After Effects' powerful motion graphics and visual effects tools. A fantastic opportunity to explore or work on a short project without paying upfront. You'll also see an option to try Adobe Stock during sign-up. If you choose to include it, you'll get 10 free premium assets, like videos, templates, and design elements. And you get to keep them, even if you cancel the trial before it ends. Sign in with your Adobe account, or create one quickly if you're new. Adobe does ask for a payment method to start the trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the 7 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder just to be safe. Next, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud app. It's the hub where all Adobe software is managed. Once it's installed, open it, search for After Effects, and hit Install. Depending on your internet speed, the process might take a few minutes, but once it's done, you're ready to roll. That's it. You now have Adobe After Effects fully installed and free for a week. It's a great chance to explore animations, VFX, and professional editing tools without committing right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for easier tech walkthroughs and helpful software tips. If you have any questions or run into issues, comment. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.